Okay, let's go again. Hopefully I'll get a bit more counterplay than that game offered. Yes, these solid, super solid lines which don't give white much initiative. Quite dangerous really to play against. Yeah. So DarkSun, okay, 2190. But yeah, I think this. I want to get into this as experiments. It's quite exciting. But the thing is, it's probably very well known by everyone, and it's very familiar territory. So everyone sort of knows the thematic game play. I'm thinking one thing to subtly bear in mind with this C-file business is if you are going to sacrifice, actually, you're kind of weakening your own C-file. At the moment, these are like, they're not just attacking the opponent's king. There isn't that much, these resources are not in the attack. And I think really that means you've got to be careful if you say sacrifice to get an attack and it doesn't come off. The opponent could, take over the C-file. So it's not such an easy attack. Just because you've got a semi-open C-file, you've got to be very careful, I think, with unsound sacks. Because really there isn't too, you need a lot more resources than this. Because the king is not that unsafe on the queen side. It looks very pleasant though, bishop b7, knight d7, b4 later. It looks very, very pleasant stuff, unless the king's like trapped in the centre and getting hacked. And he might be considering that actually with knight d5, keep my king in the centre. That's something to bear in mind. I could have taken with the bishop maybe, actually. Because e5 there's bishop b7. Maybe this g takes wasn't needed. I've got a bit of a dodgy connection today. I'm just going to say hi. Nope, it's not going through. Oh yes. Okay, so knight e6 is a threat. So bishop e7, knight e6. Okay, so can I put the bishop here? Okay, he's on that e6, so that's fairly unpleasant. Annoying pin. Can I just castle kingside here, or am I going to get absolutely hacked? Rook d3, probably. So e5 is knight d5. Maybe queen c8 is an option. No, it looks horrible. What have I done? Dear oh dear. Knight c6. It looks absolutely dire. b4 takes, bishop e6, knight e6. Looks really horrendous. Can't get over it, how horrendous it looks. Right, let's go back to castling. Rook d3. I don't survive that, do I? King h8, rook h3, end of game. So probably I have to invite knight d5. Horrible. Or knight e6. Both horrible invitations to have to do. Knight e6 takes. Maybe rook f8. Then there's the horrible knight d5. It's dreadful. There's e7 there. That's horrible. e7. Right. Okay, if I don't take, what about queen b7? I don't want that horrible pawn there, that's the thing. So queen b7 might be a lesser evil move. I think I'm about to be mated with something horrible. So knight d5, knight c6, there's knight c7 check. Okay, so I think I'm going to have to take here. And now it's looking grim for something really horrible. This is not how to play the Sicilian. My dream is to be able to play knight c6 and castle queenside here. Okay, so knight c6. Right. Is this my chance to just try and get away with the king if I play king d8? Try and make a run for it. Maybe king c8, b8, a7. Just making a run for it. Dire. a5, knight b4. Would that be a way to try and evict the knight? a5 and knight b4. Something's gone badly wrong in this Sicilian. Maybe I should have just done bishop takes f6. I've given myself huge problems in this game. I suppose I can cheekily c2. So it's knight d4. Okay, he's got rid of his beautiful knight. Just to win d6, is that worth it? My king could now go over here. Well, that's looking better than before. Although there is rook b6 as soon as I move my knight. Whoops. So do I have to play like king a7 to try and get both rooks? A lot of pressure here. Probably too much. Oh dear, queen h6, rook f7, there's queen f8. Oh, there's even worse now. What's this? Oh, it's just queen e5. Is that for queen e8? Oh dear, oh dear. Queen e8 coming up. Barely stop that, I think. I'll go here. That's winning the rook. Playing full game. So where did I go wrong? I think oh dear. Bishop takes f6 maybe is essential. Because this was just horrendous. I'm just new to this line anyway. I don't usually play this Najdorf. So in many ways maybe it's safer to play the dragon rather than this flavour, because everyone sort of seems to be very familiar with what to do. That's the big problem here. And it results in sort of brilliant play, really, effortlessly. Comments or questions on YouTube anyway. Thanks very much.